Out from the inside, GD Western Joe. Leaving alertly there, Little Rocket Man. And between horses, Malak. Brassy Hanover forwardly placed here by Zeron as they head to the first turn. Alotbettor is gapping a bit in fifth. Then it's Proof along the pylons as they round the turn to the quarter. Saloon Passage third last here with Tellmeaboutit and the trailing Bechers Brook. 26 seconds flat for a hot opening quarter here, set by Little Rocket Man and Tetrick as they lead to the backside. Little Rocket Man a length and a half. GD Western Joe carves out a pocket trip there behind the leader, and the Malak is next in third. Inside the fourth, Brassy Hanover lined up in fifth. That's a lot better. Then sixth to the inside, Proof with Saloon Passage. And coming to the outside, first to go, Lewayne Miller has Tellmeaboutit fishing for cover with Bechers Brook trailing. 53-4 was the halftime. And Little Rocket Man has London challenged to this point as the Indiana champion leads a length. GD Western Joe to the inside continues to wait. Coming to the outside, Brassy Hanover and Zeron from fourth. And the Malak along the pylons now locked in as they arrive at the 3/4 mile marker. And Tetrick with Little Rocket Man speeding up a bit here at 3/4 and 1:21-2 into the stretch in the Gregg Haston Memorial as Little Rocket Man looks to go the distance here. GD Western Joe angles off the leader's back into the outside. It's Brassy Hanover, but it's Little Rocket Man. The lead is 2.5 to the outside. GD Western Joe to the inside, and a Malak coming to the wire. Little Rocket Man gate to wire in 1:47-2.